Hi, this is Chris with Hyrel, and this is our continuous carbon fiber filament printing head right here. Call it the fibernator unofficially, and this is just a video demonstrating how the process works, and a general guide of how to use it with a G-code. Alright, so first of all, you're going to want to print a few base layers. Carbon fiber doesn't usually do good on the outside. You usually want to sandwich it between two layers or so. As you can see here, there are little channels that are being printed inside of this right now. It's 3 channels in the middle, which are going to be filled with carbon fiber very soon. And it's currently printing the 3rd layer right now, so I'll get back to you whenever it is done and we're ready to put the carbon fiber in. Alright, now the carbon fiber is going to start to print now. So what happens usually is that we prime it, get some material out of the nozzle so it doesn't get stuck. We start a little bit before the part, we drag it on there, we move it down just a little bit, do the auto tack, and you can see here, drag it along through the groove, down to the other side.
Tack finished.
Cut it, just leave it with the strand going out. Same thing here.
Auto tack start.
Same thing on the 2nd channel.
Auto tack finished. Auto tack start. Auto tack finished.
Alright. Now we will print the layer on top of this. And yeah, once this is finished printing, I will move to that now. Alright, so this is the finished product of the carbon fiber. As you can see, it is encased in nylon. Just snip these ends off and you've got your part.